Hey, welcome to your channel, Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today I'm going to show you how to install Injora Metal Drive Shafts on your TRX4M, so stay tuned. First, you're going to want to remove your body. Then remove your battery. Now, remove your battery tray. It has two screws right here. One right here and one right here. Now, after having done that, your battery tray will come off very easily. Now, you're going to want to remove your motor mount. Right here, let me show you where. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to want to remove the 4 screws surrounding your motor mount. Okay, after removing those 4 screws, you should just pull your motor out. There we go. It was nice and easy. Now, let me show you right here. Let me see. Remove these 2 screws. Could you see? Let me see. The one connecting this piece. And the other one connecting the other side. The reason you don't see the complete drive shafts is because mine are broken. But yours, if it's not broken, it should be complete. So remove 1 and 2. Okay, after having done that, just pull them out. There we go. This is a piece you should have removed. There. Same on the other side. Pull it out. Okay, now it's pretty simple. You have your longer drive shaft and you have a smaller drive shaft. This one. Okay, see the size difference? You're gonna get your small one. This part. And you're gonna put it on the motor side. It's pretty simple. Align the D or the shape it has with the one here. There we go. See how easy it was? Now you're gonna get one of the screws provided with the Injora Drive Shafts kit. And screw the this part of the drive shaft in. There we go. Fits perfectly. Okay, now you could put this part of the drive shaft on the side. Get your longer drive shaft. You're gonna get this side, not this one. There's a difference. You get this part. And same thing, it has a D shape. Align it with the D shape on here. There we go. It looks way better in the silver color. It's gonna look great with the shocks. I have the Lossy Mini B shocks and the high clearance links. It's gonna match perfectly. Okay, again, get another one of these screws. Place it in and screw it in. Okay, you're done with this part. Now you're gonna put your motor to the side, flip the car over, gently put your motor down, don't drop it. Gently put your motor down. Rotate your drive shaft. Okay, mine is connected. Okay, right here. You're gonna have a screw connecting it. You're gonna want to remove it. Now you're just gonna pull it out. See how easy that came out? Okay, now you're gonna get the small part. You're not gonna get the long one. This is the long one. This is the small one. You're gonna get the shorter one and just place it inside. So what you need to do now is connect it. It is very simple. That's it. Now get one of the screws provided. And screw the drive shaft in. There we go, it's nice and tight. Make sure it's working. Now you're going to do the same thing on the back. Turn your tire until you see the screw. Remove the screw. After removing the screw, pull your drive shaft out. Now you're going to get your new Injora Metal Drive Shaft. Place it in. This one was a bit harder to put in, but with a bit of force, it will be good. Get another one of the screws provided and screw it in. Now, after having done that, you're going to gently flip your TRX4M over. Now you're going to align both drive shafts, front and rear. The longer one is going to go on the back, and the shorter one is going to be going on the front. So now you're going to align it. Okay, back one's ready. Now I just need the front one. Okay, I've aligned both. Now you're gonna put your motor back in. You're gonna install your 4 screws back in. And remind you it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now after having installed your 4 screws on your motor, you're gonna want to add your battery back in. You're gonna install it the same way you found it. So like this, just place it back in. There we go. The reason I was having so much trouble installing the battery tray was because I moved my ECM 1 screw forward so I could fit these huge Los B shocks. But I made it fit now. So now the only thing you're gonna have to do is add the 2 screws on your battery tray. They're one of the biggest screws you have. And that's it. The last 2. And that's it. That is how you successfully add metal drive shafts to your TRX4M. I'm going to test it before I end this video. Okay, 1. Connected. Put the body on real quick. Wow, that feels so much better. Feels way stronger than before. Well, that's it for today. Make sure to check out the full video I have on these metal Injora drive shafts. Thanks for joining me on today's video. I hope you found this informative, helpful, and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time.